this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off, who wants some? I'm fighting for my soul, God, get at your boy. You try to go, God, fall back, I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off, who wants some?
I see them long, hard times to come.
What's up, everybody? So, here I am in the truck again, doing another truck vlog. Anyways, so, my last video was a truck vlog. Me sitting here, driving, right? I got a lot more positive feedback than I thought I would, and I greatly appreciate that from you guys that did. However, there was a few that didn't like the truck vlog. I actually lost a couple subs over it. Even had one guy message me. As much as I want to call him out, I'm not going to, but I do want to. Get out of the fucking left lane. Fucking Arkansas. Anyways, he actually sent me a message, said he was unsubbing for me because I wasn't making motorcycle videos. It's like, I made one truck vlog, one, and you're unsubbing. I said, yep. Alright, whatever. Fuck you then. Leave, I don't care.
He does. He does.
But I think I lost like 5 subs, 5 or 6. Oh well. It's like several of us have talked about before. You know, your true subs will always stay. You know, I don't know who my longest sub is. I wish I did, but I don't. I mentioned him in a video last year. That dude's been with me since the beginning. I don't remember how, when from the beginning, but it was very close to when I very first started. And you know, he gave me pretty positive feedback on my last one, and that's greatly appreciated. And it's greatly appreciated from everybody. I mean, I don't know if this is going to start being a regular thing. It might not. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. As far as me riding goes, the weather turned cold, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to get back out on the bike. You know, especially with me not even wanting to ride it anymore. Just because I'm just over it, over that bike. I don't know if I'll get back on it the rest of the year. Especially with it turning cold, because y'all know I don't ride in the fucking cold. I'm too old for that shit. That's for you young guys. I put in my time in the cold, and I got nothing to prove to nobody. So I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Stabilization on this camera is pretty badass. I'm not gonna lie about it. I need to wash my truck. Anyways, I just want to throw that out there real quick. Show my appreciation to you guys that really gave me positive feedback for that video. You know, it's the loyal subs that always makes the difference. And all you new guys coming up through the ranks, y'all make sure you realize that the loyal subs are the ones that make the difference.